In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up calendars and appointment types. We'll start by organizing your availability because calendars are the backbone of any booking system. On the left side of your dashboard, click on Availability. This is where you create the specific calendars that your services will connect to. Click on Add New Calendar. Give your calendar a clear, memorable name. Something like coaching or consultations works well. In the description box, add helpful context such as what this calendar is used for, who it's for, or any special notes your clients should know. The description helps keep things organized for you and informative for anyone booking. When you're happy with it, click Save to lock in your new calendar. If you plan to offer different categories of services, click Add New Calendar again to create another one. Use distinct names and descriptions so it's easy to tell them apart later. This makes managing availability and linking services much simpler. Next, head back and click on Appointment Types. This is where you define the actual services people can book. Go to Types and click on New Type of Service. Start by giving your service a straightforward name. You can add a description here as well. It's optional, but it's a great place to set expectations, outline what's included, or know any preparation required from the client. Set the duration in minutes based on how long the session typically takes. Accuracy here ensures your schedule doesn't overlap and clients know what to expect. Enter a price that matches your offering and your policies. You can choose a color to visually differentiate this service on your calendar. Picking consistent colors for related services helps you scan your schedule faster. If you have a relevant image, add it to make your booking page look polished and professional. Now choose the calendar you created earlier to connect this service to your availability. This step is essential. It tells the system exactly where to place the bookings and ensures times show up correctly. Once everything looks good, click Create to finalize the service. If you offer multiple services like introductory calls, standard sessions, or follow-ups, simply repeat the process to create another one. Keeping names, durations, and colors consistent across similar services will make your setup cleaner and easier to manage over time. That's it. You've created calendars, linked them to appointment types, and set the details that clients will see when they book.